In this video, we will demonstrate how to streamline your payroll data checking with EasyValidate from SpinFX IT. With increasing compliance across most regions, the need for data validation, especially in payroll, is increasing. Having the right tools to streamline this process is crucial. In order to streamline the process, you want something automated that doesn't rely on the team. It should also cater for changing validations and ensure tracking for any future audits. Many customers we talk to use various reports and data extracts to get the data required, and then use Excel or paper for tracking investigations. This led us to ask, how can we improve on this current process? Meet EasyValidate, a single, flexible solution to streamline your payroll validation processes. It offers out-of-the-box data checking for various scenarios, all within your SAP HCM environment. EasyValidate uses reports to replicate manual processes, comparison screens to identify issues, and allows status and notes updates. You can easily rerun verifications and investigate issues using supplied reports and dashboards. Now let's take a look at EasyValidate. Imagine a scenario where you have 15 different validation checks before executing payroll. This typically involves running multiple reports, loading them into Excel, investigating issues, and potentially rerunning the process. This is complex and manual. Let's take a look at how you would view this in EasyValidate. The EasyValidate menu has the ability to perform checks for different types of scenarios. In this case, we will run the payroll validation checks. Here we can have different types of tests. For example, different country checks or pay period versus month-end checks. For this validate scenario, we have about 30 different exception checks run for a payroll. These are broken down into master data and payroll check submenus for simpler error identification. Let's have a look at one of the payroll checks, gross overpayments. There are a few errors showing here. As we drill down into this, you can see each employee with color coding based on the severity of the issue. One employee stands out with a high gross payment. Not only does this show the error, but you can also do some basic investigation with these buttons. These run reports to show things like basic pay details or the payment wage types. You can even run more detailed payroll reports to see what made up the pay. Here we can drill into the pay to see the wage types, and then even further down into the retro results. If you need to further investigate the employee's pay, you don't need to leave the tool. Click on the Investigate button to take you into our Help Desk investigation solution. In here, you have an additional set of investigation reports that can provide much more information about the employee. In this case, it's been set to show the payslip on entry, but you can then click on other menus to execute reports or documents. This comes pre-delivered with retro details and pay explanation reports. You can also view the employee master data or leave information. The employee details option that we've just selected allows you to quickly see different master data information in an easy-to-read document, including organizational data, basic pay, wage types, and even bank information. All of these menu items can be run on any pay period for this employee. If you need to view or change employee data, this is also possible directly from this Investigate screen. Here we've taken a look at the basic pay details to check the payments the employee is receiving. Returning back to the EasyValidate error screen, once you know if the issue is valid or not, you can then set the status codes and take notes of any details uncovered during the investigation. These are all reportable at a later date for audit purposes, but can also flow from run to run, so you don't lose the history. Dashboard reporting is also included within EasyValidate to allow you to visually monitor the status. Here, you can see all of the error validations, including error status codes. You have different views showing the current scenario as well as historical trended results. Switching to the detailed menu, you can see more information and drill down further into the error codes. This includes the ability to see any notes entered into the system. EasyValidate is used by payroll teams for pre-payroll checks, IT teams for upgrade validation, project teams for testing configuration, and both IT and payroll teams for checking SuccessFactors data replication. EasyValidate offers additional features like adding custom validation reports, tailoring pre-delivered checks, supporting team environments, providing audit reports, storing results, and flowing status and notes between runs. EasyValidate can be used for more than just payroll runs. Let's look at a few scenarios. EasyValidate is useful during SAP upgrades and configuration changes. It allows you to compare payroll results before and after upgrades, identify issues, fix configuration, and ensure accurate calculations and configuration functionality. As already shown, for payroll validation checking, EasyValidate is used before executing payroll in every pay run. This will be used continuously throughout the year. EasyValidate can also be used for SuccessFactors replication checking to verify data between SuccessFactors and SAP HCM. This can be done as required or, ideally, every pay period before the payroll run. During SAP implementations or migrations, EasyValidate checks results between multiple SAP systems or compares them to legacy non-SAP systems. It ensures the new system calculates the same as the original and can be run multiple times. If you are an EasyReporter customer, you can elevate your use by including existing reports in EasyValidate for streamlined payroll validation, offering the same report-building interface. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website, find us on the SAP Store, or connect with us on LinkedIn and YouTube.